Hey guys, what's up? It's Toast again from Fishyaker. What kind of lure does that look like? Well, it's kind of a semi-square build crank. To me, that's an exact replica of a LIVETARGET Crawfish Crank. Wonder if I can catch anything on this. This didn't cost nearly as much though. I actually paid $1.19 with about a dime shipping on it. So let's see if I can catch anything on it. There we go. That a fish? Yeah. Look at that, look at that. Got one. Whoa! Dang it. Hit it pretty good though. Stupid tree. There we go. Ah, got him. Gotcha. Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice one too. This is a nice lure. Tighten the drag a little bit. You. Discount Chinese knockoff craw crank. Look at that. Nice healthy bass. Look at that. Woo! 3D eyes and all. Pretty cool. Woo! Haha! He's gone. He didn't want to hang out with me very long. Close up here. Gotcha, got you that time. No, I missed it again. Dang it. Got you. That's a bigger fish there. Look at that one I got. Ooh, that's a nice one. That stupid tree again. Where's it got? What do you got? Nice smallie. Look at that. Chomped it. Chomped it. Ooh. Nice one. That's a big fish. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Ooh, that thing's pushing. Not super fat, but look at that. He's pushing long and skinny for the most part. Probably pushing 19 inches. Close to 20 on that one. He ate it. Let's get this out of him. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Big smallmouth. Got shoulders on him. But like I said, not too fat, but healthy on that like knockoff little lure. Look at that. Woo! Here you go. So guys, what do I think of this $1 knockoff of a $10 LIVETARGET Crawfish Crankbait? That's a win. As you see, I caught a whole bunch of fish just in about a half hour's time. This thing definitely works. It's almost identical to the mold that they have on the other lure, on the name brand version. Coloration looks similar. It's got kind of a semi-square bill on it, on the lip. Has a bleeding bait hook on it. Hooks seem okay, but I have missed a bunch of bites, so maybe they're not the greatest. I'd probably change them out if I really wanted to be relying on this. But that's a win. I'll put a link down below for where I purchased this. Go there, pick them up, and fish with confidence. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel. Give us that thumbs up and let us know what you want to see.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.